Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about another concept which is about Vedic Maths. Let us observe the question here. How fast can you solve this 998 into 989? If you want to solve this problem in the convention method, it is a 3-digit number by 3-digit number. It takes a huge amount of time in the conventional method, but with help of the concepts of Vedic Maths we can solve it very easily. I am sure that by learning after learning about this video in after learning about this method in this video, you can solve this type of problems very easily and within the less span of time. Okay, so let us see that how fast we can solve these problems. Okay, let us observe this question. 989 into 998. Here 989, excuse me, 989, okay, 989 and 998 is that. Okay, so these two numbers are nearest to the thousand, so we should consider our base as 1,000. Okay, if base is 1,000, if you want to find out answer, if you want to find out a product of these two numbers which are nearest to the thousands, here how much this 989 is less than the 1,000. This one is 11 less than the 1,000, and this is what 2 less than the 1,000. So I'm writing it as an 0 0 0 1 1 and 0 0 2. Why I am writing like this means, here if base is 1,000 and as our 1,000 consisting of 3 zeros in this, so right part of answer should be consisting of 3 digits. So here we need to multiply these two to get right part of answer. 11 2s are 22, but this right part should be in 3 digits as we discussed here. So we need to make it as a 0 2 2 so that it becomes a 3 digits, and left part you can obtain by cross subtraction. 989 minus 2, 987. This is what our answer. Our answer is what? 9,87,022. In the same manner, let us see the next example. 989 into 988. Here again these two numbers are nearest to the thousands, so base is 1,000, so right part should be in 3 digits. Here this is 11 less than to the 1,000, so I'm writing as a minus 0 11, and here it is 12 less than to this 1,000. I'm writing it as a minus 0 1 2, and to get a right part of answer we need to multiply these two. 11 12 are 132. I'm writing it as a 132, and cross subtraction. 988 minus 11, that means 977. So our final answer is what? 9,77,132. Okay, let us see the next question. 996 into 995. 996 into 995, and if you want to find out this answer, let me write this as easily like this. And as these two are less than the 1,000, see 996 is 4 less than to the 1,000, so I'm writing 0 0 4, and it is 5 less than to the 1,000. I'm writing it as an minus 0 0 5. Do the multiplication, vertical multiplication. 4 5 are 20, but here we got it as a 2-digit number. To make this as a 3-digit number, we need to take as a 0 in front of it, so it becomes a 0 2 0. It is of 3 digits, and cross subtraction. 995 minus 4, that is of 991 you will get. So our answer is what? 9,91,020. Likewise, with help of the concepts of Vedic Maths, we can solve these problems very easily. Not only numbers which are nearest to the 1,000, we can solve this. We can make use of this method which are nearest to the 100 and nearest to the 10,000 even. Okay, so let us take two more examples on based on it. So 98 into 88 is there. Okay, once observe this 98 and 88 both are nearest to the 100, so here 98 is 2 less than to the 100. I'm writing minus 0 2. Here base is 100, so right part should be in the 2 digits. That's the reason I took as 0 2. and here 88 is 12 less than to the 100. I am writing as an minus 1 to multiply this 12 to the 24 and cross subtraction 88 minus 2 86. So our answer is what? 8624. And let us see one more example which is nearest to the 10,000. That is 9,996 and into 9,995 is that. If you want to multiply them, as these two numbers are nearest to 10,000, in the 10,000 we have 4 zeros, so right part should be in 4 digits. Here this 9,996 is 4 less than to the 10,000, so I am writing it as a minus 0,004, and this is what 5 less than to the 10,000. I am writing it as a minus 0,005. Multiplying this 4 5 are 20, as it is a 2 digit. To make it as a 4 digit number, we need to take 2 more extra zeros before this. Then cross subtraction 9,995 minus 4, that is 9,991. Likewise, we will get the answer. Okay, so with help of these concepts of Vedic Maths, we can solve this type of problems very easily. I hope you like this video. If you understand this method, try to solve this problem by your own and comment your answers. Okay, let me give the question. That is 985 into 995. Okay, so try this problem in this method and comment your answer.